All right, now this is impressive right here. Called Creep Show. It's a 2-story haunted house dark ride. I have not been on a 2-story dark ride, but here is some of the artwork. Look at all this stuff out here, all the decoration, this monster in the front. This is really, and all the dragons on the top. This is really cool. So this is 5 tickets. Oh. Hey Jen, it's a photo op where you go. Yeah, it's a photo op right there. You have the cage and you stand behind it and you got some fake legs. I'm gonna get some of the outside. I'm gonna try to see if they don't give me any issue with trying to do a POV or ride on. Alright, so that's the ride-on POV of Creep Show, a haunted house dark ride attraction here at the Houston Rodeo for 2026. It was really awesome to go on a 2-story haunted house. And now it's starting to rain.